Record it. Start recording.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. So again, this is about reading. So this is actually a history about someone. Okay, let me close that. Wait a minute. And then I will share the sound. Wait, I don't need to share the sound because we don't have any audio in here. Sorry about that. And then I will. Okay, so there are about 3 kind of readings. So the first one is in here. The second one is this one. And then the third one is this one. So who wants to read the first one? Okay, Tiffany, let Tiffany take her book first. And Carlton will be the first one. This is Carlton. I will put it C in here. And then
I'm third.
I think Anthony will be the second one.
Yeah, Anthony.
I will put AN in here, ANT. And then the third one will be Fiori. I will put F in here.
Why not me?
You
Who's
will
the
be
first?
later. The first one is Carlton. Wait for Tiffany, okay, Carlton? Wait a minute until I said okay. Then
Why not me?
No, Mr.
Maybe.
It's fine. Go
It's not
ahead.
fair.
Take me ages.
Okay, then Tiff. Okay, Carlton. Go ahead.
Captain Robert Falcon Scott, or Scott of the Antarctic, as he is often called, was an officer in the Navy. He is famous because he wanted to be the first man to go to the South Pole in June
1910.
1910. He left the UK, traveled to the other side of the world. He went across the ice with dogs and sled, but the weather was so bad that he had to send the dog back to camp with some of his team. Scott and 4 other men, Wilson, Otis, Hoover, and Evan, continue on foot.
Okay, thank you, Carlton. So we are talking about who in this text?
Scott.
Scott.
Scott, yes, Captain Robert
Hi.
Falcon Scott. Where did Scott and his team go?
And the South Pole.
Yeah, South Pole or
South
Antarctic.
Pole.
Yes, the South Pole. Yeah.
He left the UK. Travel to the other side of the world.
Yes. So if I can maybe open wait a minute. Okay, let's say I will open the world map. Wait a minute. Okay.
5 heroes.
So do anyone know where is the UK?
No.
I think United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Good job, Leon. United Kingdom.
I see it first.
Nah,
I
it's fine.
stole your idea.
Okay, so let's try to see. Okay, over here. United Kingdom is around here.
It's around Europe.
Yeah, it's in Europe.
Yeah.
So United Kingdom is around here where my mouse is moving. Okay, and then they go to Antarctica, which is over here.
Oh.
South Pole. So they really, what do you think? Do they go by plane?
That's Japan.
Japan is
I
in
think they
here.
went on a boat or a plane or maybe something.
In YouTube. You watch it in Japan.
Oh yeah, I watch it in Japan. I watch a music video. Okay, so they go by ship.
Oh.
Because on that time, even though they already have plane, because of the William brothers, they're still expensive, and there are no planes that go to the Antarctica.
Yeah.
So they need to use ships. They need to use boats, a lot of boats, a big one, a ferry boat. And then when they got there, they have to do it on foot or with the dog sled. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Kit?
Naik naik shipnya tuh sambil ada lagu nih deng 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 deng.
You think this is a Pirates of the Caribbean? Oh well, it could be. Okay, let's continue. Okay.
Where's the Canada?
Okay. Now, Scott.
What
Wait.
page is that?
101. 101. 101.
101.
Okay. So he went there with whom? Scott went there with whom else?
With Wilson, Oates, Bauer, and Evans.
Yes. So there are 5 of them in a team.
Sled.
Do you know what is a dogs and sled?
Yes, I know.
You know?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen it
The
before?
weather was so
Yes,
bad.
aku pernah.
Okay. So usually the dogs, what kind of dog that they need
Like a
over
wolf.
there?
I think it's
Like a
a
wolf.
husky or a wolf.
Like
Yes,
a wolf.
that's right. So like a wolf, it's more like a husky. Why? Because they can withstand with the cold. They usually live in the cold place. So I will share it to you, the picture of it. Here it is. So one sled usually being pulled with a lot of dogs, a lot of huskies.
Oh.
Usually about 6 or 7 huskies.
Wow.
I already write it.
Yes, and
The cloth is red.
in the story, it is said that the weather was so bad that they had to send the dogs back to the camp because unfortunately for the dogs, they cannot withstand a lot of wind, I think, because it's too dangerous too. Yes, Kid?
Ya, misalnya kalau orang yang naik itu gundute pol piye bisa? Oke, narik tapol ya. Wih, tadi ya.
Like I told you, if you don't speak in English, I will not respond to you. So, Kid, if you want to tell me something, okay?
What if the
use English, but you can just mix it up. If you want to mix it up, it's fine, Kid, okay?
What if the man who ride the sled is so fat?
If they are so fat, that will be something that's unbelievable. I don't think that will happen because those who on a voyage cannot be fat. Because if they are too fat, they need to eat a lot. Because they need to eat a lot, they will take all of the ransoms really fast.
I think the sled will broken.
Not only the sled will be broken, but the dogs will also get broken. To pull that big. Okay.
Mister.
Yes, kid.
Where people like itu orang itu take water.
Yes, because it's in a cold place, they also need water, right? They cannot use the snow that below them, so they have to fill the hot water inside their own bottle. And usually, one thing that I know is that they're not using regular water because regular water were easily frozen. So they use maybe some kind of rum, beer, so all of the alcohol, because it won't freeze in that temperature, but the water, the regular water, will. So that is their source of water. Okay, let's continue with the second one. Anthony, please read it for us.
The weather got worse and worse, but on January 17, 1912, the 5 men finally arrived at the South Pole. However, when they arrived, they found a Norwegian flag. They were not the first men to get there because the Norwegians arrived a few days before them. Now they had a hard 1,500 kilometer trip back to their ship. The weather was terrible, and in the middle of February, Evans fell through the ice and died.
Okay, thank you. So it's actually a little bit disheartening because someone's died. And it's not, well, it's unfortunate for Evans, really. Because when you go to a place that is not really conquered by anyone, that no one lived there, it's really dangerous. So in this paragraph, who arrived first over there? Who arrived first at the South Pole? The Norwegians, good. So, and then when they have to go back for how long? How long is the trip?
1,500 kilometer trip.
Yes, 1,500 kilometers. Do you know how long was that?
Yeah.
How
really
long?
long.
It's really long.
I think my leg will broken.
Okay, here. Just for, try to imagine, okay? So from Jakarta to Tulung Agung, usually when I go home, it's about 300 kilometers.
So five times
of that.
5 times.
5 times from, so when you go back and forth 5 times from Jakarta and Tulung Agung, that means
I will be bored.
You go for about 1,500 kilometers.
And they use their food.
Yes, they have to take day off, they have to rest, and they have to face with the cold weather, with a really, really bad weather. And it's just get worse. Okay, for the last one, please, Fiori, read it for us.
A few weeks later, Oates, who knew that he was dying and was making the trip too slow for the other men, left the tent. He told the others that he was going for a walk, but he didn't come back. Scott and the other 2 men carried on, but on March 29, 1912, they all died from exhaustion, only 20 kilometers from their camp. Their bodies were found 8 months later, together with Scott's diary, which told the whole tragic story.
Yes, thank you.
Why they were died?
They died because of the harsh cold, because of the harsh weather. They died.
Oh.
So
because it's too cold for them.
It's too cold for them, and I think it's also hard to find some food. You know, they have to make some rations.
Make a fire, right?
Yeah.
You couldn't make a fire over there, right? There are no woods. There are no woods.
It's impossible.
It's impossible to make fire. There are no woods. There are nothing in there.
Then they should bring some in the first place.
Sir, I will ask some question.
Yes, Leon.
Why them go to the
South Pole?
Why North Pole?
Because on that time, they already discovered North Pole, and they think all of the voyagers back then think that South Pole is something that still not discovered, and something a lot of mystery in there. So they want to go there to know what is inside the South Pole. But actually, in the end, yes.
And they were died.
They died. Yes, unfortunately, they died.
All of them died.
All of them died for Scott and his friends. All of them died.
Oh my
All
God.
the team is.
Mister.
Yes.
Can we have a field trip to Antarctica? Whoever lives the last wins.
No, I want.
No.
You know, this is not Miss Frizzles and her bus.
To die. I don't want to die. Okay.
No. This is not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I want to ask.
Yes, Carlton.
Why this men become real life heroes?
Why? What? Sorry.
People here, Scott and Flower, Evan, and Wilson become real life heroes.
Real life what?
Heroes.
Needle.
Real life heroes.
Oh, real life heroes.
Of the Antarctic.
Mister.
Wait. I will answer the Carlton's question first. Okay, kids. Sorry. So they can become a real life heroes because of the diary that Scott wrote. So what they discovered, what they feel, it's a note for those who wants to go to Antarctica by themselves. So they are the real life heroes, although they give their life to others. Okay, kids.
Is there like president in Antarctica?
And no, that I've reckoned now, because I think no one live in there. Because
Antarctica have a flag.
There are no one who lives in there, I think, because Antarctica is too harsh. You could say like a desert. Okay, a hot desert.
Desert, but cold.
No, actually, you could say that Antarctica also a desert. You know, desert doesn't mean in bahasa doesn't mean gurun pasir. Desert means sesuatu yang ditinggalkan. There, no one lives there. Nothing can live there.
I think kangaroo can
look.
live there.
It's
kangaroo can live only in
town.
Australia, right?
It's like that town.
Yeah,
it's like ghost town.
A house there,
but
and then
nothing a town in there.
A house there, and then
warmer, and then you can just live there.
I don't think you couldn't, because it's way at the top, at the bottom of the earth. So it's really hard to get sunlight. It's really hard to get anything, and even for food, I don't think they could get any food at all.
Indomie.
Well, the problem is, Carlton, if you want to make Indomie, where did the water came from?
I don't know. Thermos, I think.
Sir, I will ask question.
Yes, Leon.
If possible, we live in there.
Hardly possible. It's hardly possible for now. But if almost all of it already melts, maybe. It's just a big chunk.
Melt, the name is not Arctic.
Well, it's just almost like a big chunk, right? Okay, now for the second part. Yes, Kit.
I have a question. Like film, like there's like like animal is freezing in the ice in Antarctica, right?
In South Pole,
I think it's not in Antarctica, but it's in the Arctic, in the North Pole. So most documentaries about animals that live in the ice, on the ice, usually from the Arctic, from the North Pole, usually. Okay, so let's move on with this one. I'll put the sentences in order according to the story. Okay, so which one is the first one, do you think?
Scott traveled to the Antarctic on a special trip.
Yes, this one. This is number 1.
Yeah.
Scott traveled to the Antarctic on a special trip.
Yes, good job. Number 2.
Scott sent the dogs
and sled back to camp.
Good job. Okay.
Scott arrived at
the South Pole.
The Norwegians arrive at the South Pole. Good job. Number 4. Which one is number 4?
Scott arrived at the South Pole.
Yes, Leon. Good job.
Not me.
Wait.
It's Anthony. It's not me.
Oh, Anthony. Sorry, because your voice is almost the same. Sorry about that. Okay. Which one is number 5?
Evan died.
Evans died. Oof.
Evan is oof.
What?
Wait, it's not 6. It's 5. Sorry, it's not 6. It's 5. Why did I wrote it 6? Why did I write it?
Why you wrote 6?
I think Oates.
Okay, number 6 is
Oates
disappear.
Oates is disappear.
Now for number 7.
Scott dies.
Scott dies.
Number 8 is Scott's
and then the last Scott's diary is found.
It's Scott's diary is found. Why Scott agreed to the special trip?
Probably because of they are scientists. They want to know about what is inside, what is in the South Pole, and probably the second one. I don't really know. Okay, probably the second one is that because they give him a lot of money, but I think more likely that he is a scientist. That's why
money is not anything.
Yeah, money is not for everything. Okay.
Money.
So now let's move on to page 102. The next page.
102.
Okay, so now you just answer the questions with number 1 until 5. Please answer for number 1. The information is right there in the A, B, C, D, E.
1 is E.
Number one is?
E.
Number one is E. Number two?
Number C.
Where do you find the number
C.
two is C. Good. C. Number three?
Number 3 is
B or D? B or D? B or D? Because what I see is like a D from you. It's B. It's B.
E. Yes.
B. Okay. Number four?
D.
D. Good. And then the last one is
A.
A. Okay. Wow, you're good. Okay.
A, C, D, B, A.
And I think
A, C, D, B. A, C, D, B, A, F, G.
Wait, what? Okay, and I think actually that is for our book, because if we look over for the next pages, it's about creativity, it's about reviews, so we don't really need to do that. Okay. So
The other side.
we are done with our book.
The Jurassic
Are we going to learn about dinosaurs?
I will do the introduction first with the grammar, with the last unit, okay?
It says Jurassic Age.
Yes, with the Jurassic Age. Because
Glacier mean?
what is what?
Glacier mean?
Glacier. Okay, let me show you then. I think because you can see it in there, glacier is actually more like a mountain that is covered with ice.
It's in Titanic.
No, that is iceberg.
Oh, it's a iceberg?
No. Iceberg and glacier is different, because if glacier, it's like a mountain that is filled with ice. It's covered with ice. But iceberg itself is a block of ice. A big chunk of ice.
But iceberg, it doesn't like block.
Okay, wait, let me show you the glacier first, and then I will show you the iceberg. Okay, this one. So the one that is at the back, is the glacier.
Montana Glacier National Park and Travel Guide.
Like
So,
so
if you can see, actually they have plants too. They have a lot of plants, a lot of.
Let's go there, mister.
But mostly about grass. They don't.
Let's go there. Let's go to Montana.
Yeah,
Montana National Park.
Problem is
I
that
went there before, but I don't remember.
the problem is that where the money will come from.
I will see.
From
Okay.
3.
So usually,
the money
if
from
it's in the winter, it will be covered with snow, and you can ski over here. I think. Can you?
After ski.
Yori, what you?
This is a
Yori,
glacier.
what are you doing?
But I will show you about the iceberg, because iceberg and glacier is totally different. It's still loading. There we go. This is the iceberg.
DuckDuckGo.com.
It's like
It
when.
doesn't look like block.
Well, it's actually big.
It doesn't like a block.
Maybe it's not. Yes, usually it's like a cone that is upside down, but you can make your own iceberg in your home. Just use an ice cube on your glass. That is, you can call it an iceberg too.
Made an iceberg.
Yeah. So it is called iceberg.
Is so cheap.
No, it's not. So it is called iceberg because of what? You maybe only can see the top one when you're sailing, and you may think, oh, it's just a small chunk of ice. You can just go. It is ice, so you can just go around it. It's made out of ice, pure ice. Yes, all of it. So you can just go around it. But sometimes the bottom is really, really big, and it can hurt the ship.
It looks like illusion.
Like
It
Titanic.
looks like
I don't think it looks like an illusion. It's like
illusion.
Ice. It's just ice.
A top is look like Iceland.
Look like an island. Yes, it could be like that. Okay.
But the town there is so
deep and
small.
so big. Not so small.
So big.
No, it's big. It's really big.
So small.
So dangerous.
And it is dangerous. Okay.
And really safe for use.
So now
let's play a game.
Yes, let's play a game.
Now can we? Okay,
You are promised.
I already promised you to play games, I know, but I still couldn't find it. So I'm really sorry for that.
Let's play quiz.
But what kind of quiz? I don't have the questions.
I don't like quiz. I don't like.
You don't like quiz. Werewolf, Andrew.
No,
Here.
No, it's so boring, I think.
What time is it right now? It's already 11:37.
Sir, I
And we
will
are
ask
until...
question.
Yes, what do you want to ask?
Can live.
What
Not
age
yet.
of Earth?
Not yet.
What age of Earth?
What is what?
What age of Earth?
What?
Earth.
You mean what
Age.
is? How old is the Earth? You mean?
How old is the Earth?
A billion years, I think.
I think I will Googling.
The Earth is 4.543 billion years.
Yes.
How old is
the Earth? Okay, so I want to take you to, before we go to the next unit for next week, okay?
4 billion years.
We will do I will do the introduction for the grammar for that unit particularly. It's about conditional and okay,
what will you write?
This is the second conditional.
Conditional
sentences. Okay, now let me ask you, what is the meaning of conditional? Conditional. What is the meaning of conditional?
I'm so sleepy.
Yes, it consists with CONDITIONNL. I know, Anthony. But what is the meaning by itself? What is the meaning of condition?
One or more conditions or requirements being met or something like.
Yes, so it's more like in bahasa, it's you can say kondisi. So
kondisi?
If blah 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 happen, then blah 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 happen.
Will.
So in condition, like usually we use if blah blah blah, then blah blah blah.
If we touch a lava,
if he touch a lava, then he will die.
Our hands will melt.
Then he will melt.
Of course.
Okay. Wait a minute. So with our conditional sentence, actually we are going to study about the second conditional, which is in the past tense. So for example, if I met a dinosaur,
meet a dinosaur,
I would get eaten alive.
I'll be eaten alive.
I would be
I'll be eaten alive. Okay, so
eaten alive.
Oh no, not this one. Where is? I think this is better.
It's so cool.
So the word if I met, the word met itself is in the past tense, the past tense of meet, right? And then we're gonna use I would be eaten. So the second conditional sentence is more like using the past tense of, no, using the verb 3. This is more like the verb 3. So with the past participle. So we are using
Mr.
participle.
Hello?
Yes, Leon?
Hello?
Yes, what is it,
Where are
Leon?
you? Where are you?
I'm here.
Where are you?
What do you mean?
Apa ya? Inggrisnya apa ya?
Where am I right now? Yeah.
Yes.
That's cool.
In what room?
In the teacher's lounge.
Oh.
Okay. So.
What dicks? What is dicks?
What do you mean?
I don't have.
I'm sorry. This is actually kind of wrong. Okay. It's not. If I met a dinosaur, I will
die.
I will die. Okay. So this is not using past participle. I'm sorry.
True.
This is not using past participle. So that one. This is using past tense, only past tense. Past tense and then followed with the present tense. Because the word would itself already thinking ahead. Would itself is only the past tense of will.
Only have past tense?
Yes, it only has past tense.
Okay.
So this one is past tense.
Past tenses.
And then this one.
Use I would have died. Like that.
If I meet a dinosaur, I will
die.
Blow up. I will blow up.
Because this is just like an imagination, right? If I
met a
if
dinosaur,
I did this, then I would be like that. So if I write the formula for itself, if I verb to blah blah blah, comma, so I would. This is the verb one. Because we like imagining things, what will happen if I do differently, if I get something that is different. So that's why we use the verb to.
Verb to
or the past tense.
I would verb
and then
one.
I would is the past tense of will. And then with the verb one, because we already use the past tense in here, so you cannot use it anymore in the verb. Okay. You can write it down in your notebook. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. So take out your notebook and then write it down.
Okay.
I already did.
Okay, good.
I already
got your notebook and then write it down.
Aku tinggal past tense.
Okay.
Sama formula.
And then there is also a question with this second conditional. So it's actually almost the same. It's just using past tense and another present tense. Okay. So if you are finished writing that, see, it's only just like that. We are done. And then I will stop the recording.
I'm finished.